The eighth-day strike, organized by Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles, which has drastically affected the movement of the public, was today marked by appeals from different organizations on the state government to scale down the prices of petrol and diesel in the state. The state's economy, which was completely shattered due to COVID-19 pandemic, coupled with unbridled hike of prices of petroleum, has brought untold hardships on the people of the state. The ongoing strike by commercial vehicles due to sudden hike in the price of fuel has thrown normal life out of gear. Government employees are unable to reach offices on time. Goods are unable to reach different markets. Daily wage earners and domestic workers have to walk long distances to reach their workplaces. Yodo, the biggest commercial hub in the state capital Shillong, bore a deserted look with scanty buyers as the sizable numbers of the shopkeepers joined the peaceful rally organized by Nyotrap, the women's wing of National Youth Movement, at the parking space at Motpran. The women folks shouted slogans against the steep hike in the prices of fuel and rejected the reduction of price fuel by 2 rupees by the state government. They said 2 rupees will not suffice them to purchase a piece of betel nut. Contrary to the action of the shopkeepers who participated in the women's rally, a group of shopkeepers vehemently opposed the disruption of Yodo. They said that the livelihood was affected due to COVID-19 pandemic, and now there is a section of the shopkeepers who wanted to tag the Yodo shopkeepers to participate in the rally. These shopkeepers said they strongly support reduction of the prices of fuel, but they would not like to become scapegoats to spoil their business.